up, I'd like to introduce Jeff Simek. He's a board member of the Aerospace Industry Association of Michigan, and he's also the general manager of operations at RCO Aerospace.
Thank you. You know, it's always a real treat to come out and address an audience that's around an incredible set of talent and support for those kids working in the STEM fields and the skilled trades. I work for RCO Aerospace. We're also RCO Engineering. We're an automotive company and an aerospace company working at the front end of technology and integrating it in today's products. And we certainly, in our talent scenario, we're always in a situation where we have a gap of skilled trades in STEM, and it's something partly why I'm on the board of the Aerospace Industry Association, which is a larger group of about 100 companies, including some of the biggest brands in the state: Pratt & Whitney, GE Aviation, Liebherr Aerospace, Eaton Aerospace, University of Michigan, and we're all trying to solve this problem of talent. And that's the #1 issue in every board meeting I go to. It never leaves the #1 issue. And you know, there's a lot of organizations out there trying to solve this. And what's interesting, you guys have here. You know, I know Todd and Patrick have put this thing together, but it's really the community's asset, and to be able to turn these students and give them the hands-on skills, the communication skills that you're seeing here today, that's super inspiring because that's super important. But you know, everyone else is trying to solve this, and you guys already have legs. You just need acceleration and capacity, and that's why we're all here today. Is how do we do that? We all need to get up and you know, pledge some dollars towards this thing. Because it'll really have a big impact. And when industry really finds out about this, it's going to grow. It is going to grow. And I would bet in the next couple of years, the state of Michigan should be up here thanking you guys for putting this together, because they're trying to solve it and they don't have their arms around it. But it's programs like this that really, really make a difference. And it's family too, which I love. You know, we talked a little bit about Pratt & Whitney. You know, I was talking to the UTC public affairs official actually last night, and I said, well, why did you come to Michigan? And he said, you know, they make fan blades in Lansing, Michigan. They got a couple $100 million facility, 900 employees, and they came because of the automotive workforce in the skilled trades. And they had been in 3 other states and failed, but they came to Michigan. And you know, we have a base of mentors. I think Todd's right. We've got a capacity of mentors that are willing to give up their time, and it's all that knowledge that we need to put in these students' heads, and it's truly amazing. So, anyway, what was I going to say? I did write something down here, but you guys, I threw that away basically. Oh, and the other thing is, you know, innovation is really a function of talent and technology, and we have technology. They have more technology than they know how to launch, and it's really the talent, and that's what companies, CEOs are looking for. They want to innovate, but they don't have the talent, and I think that's another important statement. And even on Monday, I'm a champion of the World Economic Forum, and so we're having a World Economic Forum meeting in Detroit, and guess what the topic is? Talent. And so the globe is trying to figure out, all the countries around the world are trying to figure this thing out. And the reason why World Economic Forum has come to Michigan is because we have the most potential. We have the industry, we have the manufacturing base, we have the mentors, we have student programs like this, but we don't have enough of it. And that goes back to, hey, we need to accelerate this, we need to grow the capacity for Kittyhawk, and that's definitely a key thing here. So anyways, I appreciate the time to address this. It's awesome what you guys are doing, and thank you very much.